Greetings everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back on TonTrader. I have a very big surprise. 2 upcoming products will be available for your attention. We're going to talk about trading signals. So you will receive them through the TonTrader platform. What are they? Basically, TonTrader runs several autonomous bots that generate signals, information about potential trading opportunities. Till this moment, there are 2 types of signals, basic and VIP. How do they work? Well, the bots monitor the market at a specific time frame. The analysis is then powered by AI, but not in a simple chart-style way. It is a complex and unique system based on the usage of the following tools: RSI, moving average, Bollinger Bands, EMA, SMA, volume indicator, and of course, the support and resistance lines. The result is a trading signal with a success rate from 75% up to 94%. This is the basic signal, and over 95% and above the VIP signal. Currently, 21 coins are present for basic and 22 coins are present for VIP. The coins are selected depending on their liquidity and diversity from different sectors of the crypto market. The list of coins will be updated over time and in a current way depending on their performance and market conditions. How we can use these signals? Basically, there are 2 options. As is, ideal for beginners, and customizable. With as is, just be online at a specific time, connect to the platform and bot, the signals will guide you through. When we're talking about customizable, you can use the coin and direction from the signal, but you can adjust the stop losses and take profits upon your needs. Now, this is what we have brought you guys. Hopefully, with these 2 signals, you can maximize your portfolio and get the best out of it. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about right now. And as mentioned earlier, this is how the signals will look like. For example, today, we have an AI confidence level of 85% on Ethereum USD direction buy, stop loss level and take profit level, and of course, a little bit of a scenario and more information that you guys can use. So it's that easy. Even if it's a buy or a sell, you will understand what the stop loss and take profit is, therefore to gain more from these trading signals. When it comes to the VIP, here you will see more interesting information, but it is a little bit more complex than the basic one. It provides you a little bit higher confidence level, and of course the rate of success is significantly increased. So the VIP from miles away, it provides you more information that can be used in your benefit. That's it, TonTraders. Until next time.